Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a very interesting video. It's about my nighttime skincare routine. So if you're interested to know how I take care of my skin, keep watching. Okay, so first of all, I'll start by wearing my hairband. The first thing I'll be using is my face wash. My face wash is from Kiehl's. It's the Ultra Facial Cleanser, and it's basically for all skin types. So I use this one. This is really good. My skin is dry, and this is not the one which foams, like it's not a foaming one. It's really a milky texture, like it's a cleanser, so it's very soft and gentle on skin. So this is the one which suits me, and I have been using this one from years now. Then I wipe my face with a cotton ball or a tissue, because I don't use a towel on my face because towels are used, so you don't wanna be harsh to your skin. And for the dupe of Kiehl's, like the closest dupe can be the Cetaphil cleanser. It has the same texture, the softness and the milky texture. They are similar. They're very similar. Even that one doesn't foams up. So I've used that for a while as well. So then I'll be moving to my toner. I use this Pixi toner Glow Tonic, and I believe this is the best one I have used so far. This is my second bottle. I finished the whole bottle and it goes for a really long time. I take it on my hand. I don't take it on a cotton pad. That's a waste of product basically, because the cotton soaks a lot of it. And just dab it onto my skin and let my skin drink it. For serum, I'll be using this Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. I just love this one. This is almost finished, if you can see. So I've taken few drops in my hand, and I'll just rub around my hand and give the heats of my hand and tap it all over my skin and the neck too. Don't forget your neck in any of your steps. So next I'll be moving to my moisturizer. So I'll give you two options for moisturizer. So I move around with these two. One is from Pond's. This is Pond's Super Light Gel, oil free. Really like interesting and hydrating as well. It's not oily, it's not goopy, like irritating. And this one from Perrine. I use both of these simultaneously, so I don't mind using any of these. And this is really affordable, and this would be really good for oily skins though. But I'm dry, but still it's really hydrating on like a gel side. Go all over my face. It's really cooling as well, especially for summers. It's amazing. Then under eye cream. For under eye cream, I'll be using this one from Biotique, Bioseed Revitalizing Anti-Fatigue Eye Gel. I've been using this since like 10 days or so, and it's really nice. Before this I was using Kiehl's, even that's really nice. And guys, for the serum, I can't give you any dupe, because for serums you just should not compromise. The serums has to be the best one. For lip balm, I have this Carmex lip balm and this one from Laneige. I love both of these. This is also almost finished. And this is so finished only, like it has no bit. I just love this one. This is really thick type, great while before sleeping. Stays on my lips for the whole night. So the last step is the castor oil. I put a castor oil in any empty, like I got this from Wet n Wild Mega Clear Mascara, and I emptied it and filled my castor oil in it so that I can use on my eyebrows and my lashes. It has been my staple for a really long time now, like more than a year. And that is it for my skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys enjoyed, do not forget to subscribe, like and share my video, and I'll be back with more content, and see you guys.